In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make trending Gemini AI photos using Nano Banana. If you've ever wanted to create stunning AI-generated images that are currently setting the trend, you've come to the right place. Let's delve into the process, breaking it down into manageable steps so you can follow along easily. First, we'll need to navigate to our good old friend, Google. This is where we begin our journey to access the resources we need. Once you're on Google's homepage, type the search term Google Gemini into the search bar and hit enter. Google Gemini is a powerful tool for AI image generation, and it's our primary platform today. After your search results load, you'll need to find and click on the official Google Gemini website. This will direct you to the hub from where all the magic happens. This step is crucial as it's where you'll have the tools necessary for creating your Gemini AI photos. Now, once you're on the Gemini platform, look for the section where you can input a prompt for image description. This is where your creativity gets to shine. Think of a unique or interesting concept you'd like your AI-generated image to explore. Be as vivid and descriptive as possible, as this helps the AI generate a more accurate image according to your vision. After you've nailed down your prompt, it's time to explore the tools available. Click on the Tools option to proceed. These tools will offer you various functionalities that can enhance or tweak your image creation process. Make sure you're familiar with these tools, as they can really define the quality and uniqueness of your final product. The next step is to click on the Create Images option. You'll notice this option is represented by a banana icon, hence Nano Banana. This is your go-to feature for generating the actual image. Harnessing the potential of this tool will allow you to produce captivating AI pictures almost effortlessly. With your prompt entered and your settings adjusted to your liking, it's time to make things happen. Hit that Submit button and let the AI do the heavy lifting. This is where all your inputs come together to manifest as a digital artwork specifically generated according to your specifications. And just like that, the image process is complete. Depending on your settings and prompts, you'll now have an AI-generated image that you can compare against trending Gemini AI photos or share with your friends and the world. So, there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating trending Gemini AI photos using Nano Banana. Experiment with different prompts, explore the tools, and who knows, maybe you'll produce the next big viral AI image. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!